In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fill out a PDF document on iPhone. Let's begin. So you're going to open up the iPhone Files app and you're going to look for that specific document that you want to fill out. So here it is, Peach Minimal. I'm going to open it. Then at the top, it's going to say autofill can assist with filling in this form. So select autofill form and it's going to try to add in a few checkboxes for you. Also a few text boxes. Then if you want to type, simply just type in whatever you need to type. I'm going to say Jacob. Then you can even enter in the date of birth. Let's say that you want to add in the text box manually. Go to the bottom and select the pencil icon. Afterwards, go to the bottom right and select the plus icon. Then choose Add Text. Simply double click and then add in your own text. If you want to change the size, select the AA, one with the capital letter, and then choose the PT part, and then simply just choose like a smaller size. And then drag it wherever you want to drag it. Okay, so let's say that there are multiple text areas where you need to add in multiple text boxes, then you're going to have to open up Adobe Acrobat. So I have Adobe Acrobat open, and as you can see here, it's going to automatically add in these highlighted areas showing you that you can add in your own text. So if I just simply click or tap, you can simply add in your letters or words, then dates. But if you want to add in your own text box, go to the bottom and select Text. And it's going to say tap to add text. Then you can just type whatever you want to add. Then select send and it's going to appear there. Or maybe you want to fill and sign, so go to the bottom and select fill and sign. Then simply choose the area and then type in whatever you need to type in. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.